Hi there, you're now watching Chinese with LTL, and I'm Mavis, sometimes Mandarin with Mavis. What's the biggest challenge you've encountered learning Mandarin Chinese? I think the consensus, especially for beginners, is mastering the four tones. In today's video, we'll use the relationship terms you'll find in the family terms video on the Chinese with LTL channel as the base and practice each tone with those words. Chinese is a tonal language, and each word has an assigned tone or pitch that goes up or down. In Mandarin Chinese, there are four tones, the first, second, third, and fourth that we call 一声, 二声, 三声, and 四声. The first tone is described as a steady tone without being raised or lowered. The second tone is described as a rising tone, where your pitch goes up. The third tone is described as a falling rising tone, where your pitch goes down and up. The fourth tone is described as a falling tone, where your pitch goes straight down. I know this sounds very abstract, so the best way to master these tones is to listen and practice. Ba, 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 ma, 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 ga,
mo,
我个接节解解滴滴底地美美美美. Want to listen to and practice with more examples? Sure, let's do it with some vowels. Ah, 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 ah. E, 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 e. Oo, 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 oo. A, O, O. Practice makes perfect. Tune your ears to better hear the differences between the tones. Replay this video and practice. Looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese? Sure, we've got it covered. Check out the links in the description box or go to ltl-school.com for more information. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!